Knowledge Nexus.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI. AI is changing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In this video, I'm going to break down the different types of AI, from the ones we see every day to the ones that still exist only in theory. So whether you're an AI enthusiast, or just curious about this game-changing technology, let's explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence together. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding the different levels of AI. Think of it like this. You've got your entry-level AI, then you've got your AI that's like really good at its job, and then you've got the AI of the future, the kind that makes you wonder about the possibilities. We're talking about three main types: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Don't worry, we'll break down each one so you can really wrap your head around what makes them unique. We'll start with narrow AI, which is the most common type of AI we encounter on a daily basis. It's the AI that powers things like your virtual assistants, recommendation algorithms, and even those spam filters that save your inbox from utter chaos. Next up, we've got general AI. This is where things get really interesting. General AI is all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. Imagine an AI that can understand complex concepts, solve problems it's never encountered before, and even have a sense of self-awareness. Finally, we reach the peak of the AI pyramid, super AI. This is the kind of AI that goes beyond human intelligence, surpassing our abilities in every way imaginable. Now keep in mind, super AI is still purely theoretical. Let's dive deeper into the world of narrow AI, the type of AI that's already woven into the fabric of our lives. You interact with narrow AI more often than you might realize. Remember those personalized recommendations you get on your favorite streaming platform? Yep, that's narrow AI at work. And what about those voice assistants we've all become so accustomed to? You know, the ones we ask for directions, weather updates, or even to tell us a joke. Those are powered by narrow AI too. But narrow AI isn't just about entertainment and convenience. It's also making significant strides in fields like healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, narrow AI is being used to analyze medical images, assist with diagnoses, and even develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, narrow AI is helping to detect fraudulent transactions, manage investments, and assess risk. And in transportation, it's the driving force behind the development of self-driving cars. Now, let's shift gears and venture into the realm of general AI, a type of AI that has captivated the imaginations of scientists, philosophers, and science fiction writers for decades. General AI, also known as strong AI, represents the ambition to create machines that possess human-level intelligence and cognitive abilities. We're talking about AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of domains, just like humans can. Imagine an AI that can write a compelling novel, compose a symphony, or even engage in a philosophical debate. But here's the catch. General AI remains largely theoretical. While we've made remarkable progress in developing AI that can outperform humans in specific tasks, creating AI that can truly think and reason like humans is a whole different ballgame. Despite the challenges, the pursuit of general AI continues to drive innovation in the field. Researchers are exploring new approaches, such as artificial neural networks and deep learning algorithms that aim to mimic the structure and function of the human brain. Now buckle up, because we're about to enter the realm of super AI, a concept that pushes the boundaries of imagination and sparks both excitement and apprehension. Super AI represents a hypothetical form of AI that surpasses human intelligence in every aspect, from problem-solving and creativity to social skills and emotional intelligence. Imagine an AI that can solve complex scientific problems in seconds, compose masterpieces of art and music, or even design and build self-replicating machines. But with this potential comes a host of ethical and existential questions. If we do manage to create super AI, how do we ensure it aligns with our values and goals? How do we maintain control over an intelligence that surpasses our own? Some experts believe that super AI could usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity and progress, solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Others worry about the potential risks, such as the possibility of AI becoming uncontrollable or being used for malicious purposes. The truth is, we don't have all the answers when it comes to super AI. Okay, let's bring things back down to earth for a bit and explore the tangible ways AI is already making its mark on various industries and aspects of our daily lives. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Let's start with healthcare, where AI is revolutionizing patient care, diagnosis, and treatment. Imagine AI-powered systems that can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than human radiologists, detecting diseases at their earliest stages. Or AI algorithms that can personalize treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup and medical history. In the financial world, AI is playing a crucial role in fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. AI-powered systems can analyze massive datasets of financial transactions in real time, identifying suspicious patterns and preventing fraudulent activities. And let's not forget about transportation, where AI is the driving force behind the development of self-driving cars. Imagine a future where commuting is stress-free and efficient, with AI handling the navigation and driving while you sit back and relax. Think about those personalized recommendations you get on e-commerce websites or streaming platforms. And with the rise of smart homes, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our living spaces. As we've explored in this video, AI is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. From the narrow AI that powers our everyday devices to the theoretical possibilities of super AI, the world of artificial intelligence is full of both promise and uncertainty. One thing's for sure, the journey of AI development is far from over. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative applications of this technology in the years to come. But as we venture further into the realm of AI, it's crucial that we proceed with both enthusiasm and caution. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with a focus on maximizing its benefits for humanity while mitigating potential risks. The future of AI is ultimately up to us. So that was a pretty comprehensive look at the world of AI. We covered a lot of ground, from the different types of AI and how they work, to the real-world applications that are already changing our lives. It's clear that AI is a powerful tool with the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. But like any powerful tool, it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the latest in tech.